Hi, I'm Susil. We are understand English but cannot speak. We are know many words and think in English, but whenever to speak English, you cannot speak. Actually, what happened? Where trying to speak English, you forget the words. What did not comes your mouth. You cannot deliver the words. Actually, what happened? Exactly this problem happening me. Those time I am speaking, starting speaking English is exactly happening me. Actually, what happened? Then I am using some strategy. Then I can improve English. Then I am able to speak English. Then you really want to and trying to speak English. Then this video is for you. Please watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Those are new on this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon because you future get this type of lot of informative videos. Let's begin. Friends, actually what happened? Because you know many words like your daily routine words also, but you cannot actually speak. Actually what happened? Because you think you are a long sentences. You think a very big sentence like your routine. You discuss any topic, something you recognize your mind. You think it is big. You focus many more in vocabulary, but that is the big mistake. You cannot use this because I am don't use this. But I am those time of starting speaking English. I am starting and those strategy I will speak you. Uh, Starting is now. Those time speaking English, I am listening more and more because those time you are a beginners. You don't know anything and don't know speak anything English, and you try to listen more and more. Then you observe it. Then after that you can deliver yours. Deliver without using grammar. You don't focusing in grammar. I am always saying don't focus the grammar because focusing the grammar you cannot actually speak. Those time you speak you nervous also. You cannot speak English. Okay? Try to listen more and more. Whatever anything you are watching in or TV shows or mobiles, anything, watching English movies also, you listen first. You can even observe it. After that, sometimes you speak. Now, what type of topic, which type of topic you speak, like your any topics, your environment, educational, music, daily routine, traveling, find out any of the topic you can discuss in them. Don't find any other topic, then it's your daily routine is most perfect good topic. Then you can discuss them. You can practice them also. After that, listen. After that, what I do? After that, I am doing watching video and make a notes and write down the vocabulary words. What are the new words? Every day. Every day you can also learn the words. You try to write down them. Okay? Write down because you write down them, you recognize easily. Then the mind suddenly connected them the words. You automatically comes your words in your mouth because you revise them weekly or every day. After that, what was the practice? Practice makes perfect because you do not practice, then finally you cannot able to speak English. The practice is perfect. Then you try to practice. After that, don't try to pick up any friends. Do not find any friends front of the mirror. You can practice them. Any topics. I think any topic. You don't think a big. Don't think a big. You think some little bit small topic. You can start at them. You think those time you are trying to speak and think. You are thinking a big topic. What I say, my grammar is mistake. Can't do anything. You speak easily. One of your big notes. Now after that, automatically improve your skill. Automatically able to speak. I am also using this strategy. And I am also a little bit improve my fluency. I am don't saying I am fluently speaking, but I am also now learning. I am able to speak English. Then you can try using. I guarantee you will able to speak English when very beginners. Thank you. This video is I think helpful for you. Then really this video is helpful for you. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Connect with me. I will promise you we are all trying to see bright future. Thank you. Take care.